Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add iCloud Calendar to Outlook. This is incredibly useful if you want to keep all your appointments and events synchronized across different platforms, especially when you're managing both personal and work schedules. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. Make sure you're signed in properly so that all your data can sync correctly. This initial step ensures that Outlook is ready to integrate additional calendar sources. Once your email has loaded, navigate to your calendar menu located at the bottom left part of your screen. Look for the calendar icon and click on it. This will switch your view from your inbox to the calendar interface, where you can see all your scheduled events and manage different calendar sources. Under your calendar menu, the process to add an iCloud calendar is pretty straightforward. Right-click on your My Calendar section and a context menu will appear. From here, look for the Add Calendar option and hover your cursor over it. You'll see several options for adding a calendar to your Outlook. These options give you flexibility in how you want to integrate external calendars. Choose from Internet from the list of options. This selection is specifically designed for adding calendars via URL, which is exactly what we need for iCloud integration. A calendar URL window will appear with a field provided where you'll paste your iCloud calendar URL. This URL is what connects your iCloud calendar to Outlook, allowing the two platforms to communicate. Once you've pasted the URL into the field, simply click on OK. After clicking OK, Outlook will automatically sync and populate calendar entries from your iCloud calendar. This synchronization happens in the background, pulling all your existing events and appointments from iCloud directly into your Outlook calendar view. You might need to wait a moment for all the entries to fully load, especially if you have a lot of events stored in your iCloud calendar. And that's it. You've successfully added your iCloud calendar to Outlook, making it easier to manage all your events in one place without constantly switching between different apps or platforms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.